Hello students, today we are going to discuss about electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? With the relative motion of magnet and the closed loop of conducting wire, an EMF is generated in the loop and current starts flowing without any source of EMF connected in the loop. This effect is called electromagnetic induction. With the relative motion of magnet and the closed loop of conducting wire, the EMF is generated in the loop and current starts flowing. This effect is called electromagnetic induction. Example 1. This is a closed loop and a galvanometer is placed in the loop. A magnet is placed here, north and south. When velocity of magnet and the loop is 0, there is no current in the loop. Value of current equal to 0. Example number 2. When magnet comes nearer to the closed loop, the current starts flowing and galvanometer gives the deflection. Due to motion of magnetic pole, due to motion of magnetic pole, deflection observed in the galvanometer example number 3. When North Pole goes far away from the loop, again deflection is occurs, but direction of current becomes reversed. From previous one. When magnetic North Pole goes far away from the loop, again deflection observed in galvanometer, but direction remains opposite. It shows that due to relative motion of loop and the coil and the magnet, EMF is generated in the circuit and current starts flowing without any source. Source means battery, cell, etc. This effect is called electromagnetic induction. This EMF is called induced EMF, and the current is called induced current. From above experiment, following observations are text. Following observations are: first is relative velocity or motion is 0. It means loop and magnet both are in rest condition. No EMF is generated, shows no induction. EMF is generated only due to the motion of either loop or the magnet. Third point is direction of induced EMF depends on direction of motion of the magnet and on the pole. Which pole comes nearer and which pole goes far away from the magnet, from the loop. इस पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि जैसे हम इसका एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं. This is magnet. North, south, south and north. When north pole comes nearer and here south pole comes nearer to the loop, in this case here direction of current will be anti-clockwise, deflection will be in such a way, and here direction will be clockwise. Deflection in galvanometer is opposite to this. So it depends on the motion of the pole. If north pole comes nearer, direction of current is anti-clockwise, and south pole comes nearer, direction of current is clockwise. And opposite to this, when south pole comes nearer and here north pole and south pole goes far away, and here south and north, south goes far away and here north pole goes far away, and here direction of current will be clockwise and deflection will be opposite, and south pole goes far away, direction of current will be again opposite to this. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि नॉर्थ जब पास आता है और साउथ दूर जाता है तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट रिमेन्स द सेम. Both are same case. Direction of current remains the same, and in these two, direction of current remains the same. North pole comes, south pole comes nearer, and north pole goes far away. Direction of current remains the same. It means the direction of induced EMF depends on the direction of motion of the magnet and on the pole also. Which pole comes nearer and which pole goes far away. The direction of EMF depends on the pole and as well as the motion of the pole. It shows that direction of induced EMF depends on pole and the direction of motion of the pole. Fourth point is amount of EMF depends on the amount of speed of the magnet. If speed is fast, मतलब हम मैग्नेट को यदि रैपिडली पास ला रहे हैं या कॉइल को रैपिडली पास ला रहे हैं या दूर ले जा रहे हैं तो अमाउंट ऑफ ईएमएफ ज्यादा होगा. The induced EMF amount of induced EMF depends on number of loops in the coil and the power strength also. This electromagnetic induction follows the law of conservation of energy. In this process, mechanical energy converts into electrical energy. Mechanical energy means work done in moving the magnet. Work done in moving the magnet. It is mechanical energy.